Get your free Strikepen Black trademark today. You're not just getting a high-quality tactical pen. We're also going to give you 3 of our top-selling self-defense guides, all for free. But, if you want a free Strikepen Black, you've got to jump on this offer fast and get one right now. Because we only have 500 of these to give away. So check availability now to claim yours. Tactical pens are the #1 EDC tool. Lightweight, powerful, deadly, there's a reason the Secret Service and U.S. Special Forces carry a tactical Strikepen. This discreet self-defense tool puts confidence in your pocket, knowing you have the safety of a purpose-made instrument at your fingertips. If you are going to carry any item as your daily, it needs to be a tactical pen. But you can't just carry around any old tack pen and expect it to do the job.